Hey guys, a computer virus can be a serious problem for you. It can share your personal information with hackers, or it can hamper the performance of your PC. So if you don't want this to happen to you, then watch this video till the end. In this video, we'll see how you can remove viruses from your PC for free. Yes, literally free. I'm Brian from Website Learners. Let's remove viruses from your PC. Now before we begin, how do you know if your computer is affected by a virus? First, let's check that. So just go to Start. Search for Windows Security. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. And you'll get this page. Now to scan for viruses, click on Scan Options. And you'll get these options. Let's select Full Scan. And then click Scan Now. Now Windows will scan your PC, and once it's done, if you have viruses on your PC, then you'll see a result like this. So these are the viruses that we have on our PC. Now to remove them, we'll use a tool called Tron script. It installs different softwares on your PC and performs various operations just like an IT professional. It cleans up all the viruses from your PC, and not only that, it also optimizes the speed of your system. So your Windows PC will load much faster. Now to get the Tron script software, click the link below this video and you'll get this page. Here select this .exe file and it will be downloaded. Now go to your folder where you downloaded the file, double click on it, and you will get these files. Now open this Tron folder and you will see these files. Now drag these files and drop it on the desktop like this. Before you start, just make sure your PC has a strong internet connection and it does not go to sleep while it's working, as the full process might take some time based on your PC and the internet connection. Right click on this tron.bat file, select Run as Administrator, and it will ask you the permission to start the cleaning process. So type I agree in capital letters and press enter. Now press any key to start the process, and as you can see, the process for removing the viruses has started. And now you can see Tron script has installed this malware bytes tool. It removes malwares from your PC, which is also a type of computer virus. Now just click Scan Now. And as you can see, there are no threats anymore. Once the scanning is finished, Tron script will continue the process. And once it's done, you will get a green screen like this. So this means the system is virus free right now. Now before you start using your PC again, make sure you restart your PC. So now we removed all the viruses from our PC successfully. So to check and see if it's true, like we did before, let's open Windows Security. Click on Scan Options. And now if you do a full scan, you can see no threats have been detected. This is how you can remove viruses from your PC. Now if you don't want any virus attack on your PC again, you can use an antivirus software. We recommend Kaspersky Total Security, as it is the most affordable and best antivirus software. So if you want to get it, just click the link below this video and you'll get this page. From here, you can buy the software. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you again in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.